Dario on Arbutante Jr. Infantry Philippine Army.
First of all, I would like to thank every one of you coming here, celebrating my wife's life, for the sympathy, my family. I would like to personally thank the persons special to our heart, close to our hearts. First and foremost, Nanay Ading, Adela Tamala. From day one, dyan minimum pa ba Day, bilin sa ako ni guys, ay minimum pa and I will promise guys to take care of you. To my Mama Tisi, Papa Joseph, thank you Ma, thank you Pa for giving Janice hands to being part of her life and to your family. Thank you in-laws, siblings, Kuya Jake, Joe, and Joseph, Jess, thank you Jess, Carly, Anin, thank you. To my sister, my siblings, my brother-in-law, Kuya Joel, Alma, from day one, sila ang among sandalan diri sa among journey. Hindi naging madali lahat ang hindi naging mahirap yung aming pagkikipaglaban sa kalagayan ni Janice, kung hindi dahil sa inyo, sa support, sa love. Mga bayots, daghang salamat. I will keep Janice promise. I will take care of our kids. Japa and Jandara, you're in good hands. Mommy will always be there, will always be here for us. And so your extended mommies, daghan kayo sila, din na ako ma-memorize na. Pero I know daghan with mahal sa inyo. Classmates, Josa, kamu po ang reason kung bakit si Janice is nagipaglaban until her last breath. Sa inyong prayers, di gid mapantayan. Also, di Matangilas, Edward, daghang kayo salamat. From day one, na-appreciate ko ang inyong support. Class Matangila, Determinados, daghang salamat. Si guys is a very yung very special special to my heart, and gusto ko lang paalam sa inyo na kung hindi dahil kay Kais, siguro kung ano yung buhay ko, kasi sa katawan ni Kais parang hindi ko ma-imagine kung bakit ako yung pinili niya. Totoo yung sabi ni Maring Gretel, magaling siyang gumawa ng love letter. Good thing naging senior ako at pinakomply ko siya ng love letter. So doon nagsimula ang lahat. So guys, thank you. Marami pa sana tayong gustong gawin. Pero tagap ko na nasa piling ka na ni God at rest easy. Again, hindi ko na ma-mention lahat yung mga taong sumusuporta sa amin sa pamilya, sa inyong pagmamahal, pagdadasal. Naway Diyos na bahala sa inyo. God bless us all. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you very much, sir.